Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Canva document, how to add page. So first, for example, I will create some letters. In here I will type first, and you can press enter button, and I will set into end. Now, if you want to add new page, you can click plus icon in it, and you can scroll down, you can click the page brick. So it will be automatically create new page. In the new page, you can tap again, select the second, and press enter. Set here into end, and then you can click plus icon again. Use the page bridge to create new page. So in here we have these three pages: 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, that's it for a basic Canva tutorial, how to add page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.